Ye papa na Addo ni okatwi no. Bone na ye NPP party na musi pay ni mahwe no. NPP party ye nyanema angunafuo kan je gbedema kan ho. Enso Rollins see
Apalu
Rollins atiti yentem ama mabai makachire makakegu ye nyanema angunafuo asum se akanfo mpeyasem musu mo fans ehitwe mutiri na NPP akanfo party.
Patrol okay US phase 2 e ya kire mu ade adekwa ye US phase 2 no. So they remove what Akufo was done. The biggest
in midwifery school in West Africa. 5,000 seater stadium ewa daklu. Potable drinking water ewa daklu. Youth resource center ewa daklu. District police command office ewa daklu.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagan and Some TV so. One so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Be next time. Videos of this nature ba also submit Makabi. Say the munyim dan effect me Mr. President. Who will be with the boy number na was or chair 3 number na was so Mr. President. I don't be a mensa beka. Na mensa kasho me ni beje pa because the agenda na say NPP power 2028. Ti person boy studio works mic ni ade a many beje pa so. Some was me so me mic. Dey be dem me many beso pa. Me da was pa so. Na busia Voltafuor din komo bia ma me ho adwiri me. Ha mi ame ni ayigbefo o makase me ho adwiri me. Eti sana ye nua no ayigbefo na ye no voters wo nyina no mahu no mapapa ye wura na Addo kakofo Addo ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo ye voters no mo ya we ene jom timi to abadi ti NPP sa tina me nua voters aya we sacrifices no makete ene no makukudama ye wura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene Addo kakofo Addo nti omo yem de ma Ghana manya no mo ya we ene mo timi to abadi ti NPP sa the museum catch us in the obedient and one of show. Aye. Afraid ye, or make a mobile, we never voted as a mobile, or me a chop and am. Or we didn't know who I can see and I'm almost yes, I'll make his decisions. Almost a go muti, no more treasure, Joa. Or do be and another go for the Yamia share away. Almost a brand more recessing into us, no more you're sorry, Facho, no my bonnet, Facho. Omalesrano Ghana ni pese Ghana be koye pa ni hia momwan edu amusa dan money ditia the new patriotic party edin koso obre oh boni bay abusia NPP edwuma voter regional project akese ye ho edwuma voter region kan abusia won be won mo yembe hyew me nkasa pe me nuano me ko ni ko video ma na nhyere adwe
Ye papa na Addo ni okatwi no. Bone na ye NPP party na musi pay ni mahwe no. NPP party ye nyanema angunafuo kan je gbedema kan ho. Enso Rollins see atiti yentem apalu Rollins atiti yentem ama mabai makachire makakegu ye nyanema angunafuo asum se akanfo mpeyasem musu mo fans ehitwe mutiri na NPP akanfo party.
Patrol okay US phase 2 e ya kire mu ade adekwa ye US phase 2 no. So they remove what Akufo was done. The biggest
in midwifery school in West Africa. 5,000 seater stadium ewa daklu. Potable drinking water ewa daklu. Youth resource center ewa daklu. District police command office ewa daklu. Magistrate court ewa daklu. Office complex for home municipality a municipal assembly. Yen ye see ye. Dual carriageway so called Kogami to Ho Road.
Ho Polytechnic.
Ho Central market. Yen ye see ye. District hospitals ewo weta. Ketu no. Yen ye. Never training command. Nu teko se. Yife dinu kami hubompu. Cassava processing factory. Ewo kave. Huawei Town Rose, NPP na ye. Huawei Astrotef, NPP na ye. Rice Factory, Godenu. Huawei NPP na ye. Sinaston Agro Processing Factory, Dafo, NPP na ye. Wood and Wood Water Forestry, Huawei NPP na ye. NPP says 1,000 metric ton capacity warehouse, Edimamo. Warehouse in an NDC for Mochu Mosika Moburmuhi. Zongo Islamic School, Huawei. Health Insurance Office, Jolopita. Spring Agro Industry rice processing factory ewo Adidome. Community water system ewo Togome. Uba magistrate court Adangolo unim bibi. Ni eti ekosi si court wo ni say Miss Uko voter region na school them and omo de free cases. School them school for na uncle school no na judge for ni frasem. Ube hu judge not a compound house. Ejo kodi asem wendi ni ya ni ehwedu so gunu so. Ni abono. Ene NPP swinti no en uko voter region. Yes, sisi magistrate court be hon yi adoma hinde ne koye. Uko she magistrate court ni Bangalows yesi siama judges for judiciary, you be shocked. Ni nyina ye NPP. District court Bato, circuit court Japan, Waikurum. Divisional police command Toko. NPP ne si ye. Circuit court Toko ne sisa edekao. Magistrate court Agbojome. 6 unit classroom block. I can say if you the Niba Islamic school. Classroom blocks, Mawuko Senior High School. Dining hall, Shia Senior High School. Volta Barracks, Petoy. 12 unit classroom block, Zion College. Girls dormitory, Caring Sisters Vocational Institute, Angloga. Dormitory say dormitories in Kuma Bebre, a house in Kwalabe 1,000, Atoko Vocational Institute. Workshops, Atoko Vocational Institute. 6 unit classroom block, Angloga Senior High School. 1 classroom block, like in terms of Abronsankes, I bet me a house in Kwalabe 300. Awudome Senior High School. 12 unit classroom block, Zion College. 3-story building classroom block Yipi Evangelical Presbyterian Senior High School. 2-story block classroom Keta Senior High School. Sa Keta Senior High School na sa ba iwa ni friend Francisca no wo gini DJ Science and Math quiz. Yep, 12 unit classroom blocks George Senior High School. Boys dormitory Weta Senior High School. Classroom blocks yesisi wo Some Senior High School. Dining halls and kitchen yesisi Some Senior High School. Classroom blocks St. Paul's Denu. 3-story girls dormitory 3 town Senior High School. 12 unit girls dormitory Pando Senior High School. 1-story building blocks girls dormitory CYO Technical Vocational School Bando. 2-story building for as a classroom block by Taman Impakadan Railway. Drape machines in Guano wouldn't himself voter region machines are no muhiano 10 sets 18 districts it multiply the 10 by 18 180 machines and the NPP and the common voter region.
But these are all, like I'm saying, political assassins. These are political assassins. You are more to do a certain kind of work. No more say a Jumana backfire. Political assassins. Me say, if this attack on Ashanti region here, Bibiana. I mean, what am I from Munkweti? There was an agenda to create Galamsey impression. Say instead from a Kufado time, there was an agenda. Say instead of raising issues about say Galamsey, no, we are not dealing with it. No. They made effort to blame Nana Otunfo say to Abebio open so say or no. There was consistent attack. Obiaba no Otunfo na have Ghana problem. Sa branch here make any disciples or cruise to be the same agenda and Otunfo. Meanwhile, Galamsey be Eastern region. Galamsey to be Western region. Galamsey to be Central region. I have here too. North, yeah, Galamsey were North in because Ghana is so rich to say, go near to be North in but the agenda you blame you too for. We are now catch on say, now you will law, even constitution, all minerals in Ghana, there was assassination, there was assassination. It is for the president, it is for the people, but it's vested in the president. And you found here, Minerals Act. Into mineral beer gold or diamond or oil be beer Japadia classified as mineral biano. It is vested in the president for the people of Ghana. And yet almost share that agenda. Sagalam say no 2-4. Into a big canal cocoti law nature and a party. Oh, and no 2-4 or respect. And no 2-4 or way into honor. Mandate ben or so all respect are granted. Mandate ben or because of respect into no 2-4 why you know. So I respect because I can't have for the I have for all respect today. So baby, Aden no man koka say a friend say Western regional info. Aden no man koka say the biana and o2 one obetimi stop it and another na sa so there. And so mona moti akra na mo mining licenses so. Ekufo at the time by license ahe na de maye. It was in Accra. Obi anyone ma mining license no. Obebusa o2 what say open mining license. And obebusa ochehne and obebusa tobu afede. Obia or he Minister of Mines and Natural Resources or Takra no mining license. Or the Kwane as a Fako Chrome district or no Nako district assembly new local or here. But it is issued in Accra. That's the law. Issued in Accra. And so agenda setters. I said I him play me or two for make him look bad. It's sad. We see regions now what Ghana including North. ABC Jamakra penny into good. You're too good. All the your 16 regions, they move 15 or 30, you're too good. Or and you're gonna say but you want to blame one person.
If high-rise building and electricity consumption and also can be near Doomson, are we saying say we didn't put any plan in place for such occurrence? Because like I'm saying, it comes through a channel. And it's idea you need chira eba. Enti yenim se machine se ba yenim se definitely eba be ye adwuma say eba be ye say eba be ye say. Enti ye to ne ye jejejeje no. Are we saying say we don't factor that aspect of a year how do I even put it? Development no ye mfa nka ho ana.
Na increase in
exactly ye mfa nka ho
ana.
ana. And now there's another argument of you said dam no akosombo na ahye no. And then Doomsol, is that really the problem? Is that really the problem? Because you see, Ola Shenya ya say, ebi wa krobi wo ho wo so ase bibi ba besia. Anye ye kura wo phone, ping ping ping. Ye ball koko. Ye maw that ye can say notification no. Na bi a wo so de ayede, wo de atoton ne ma ye. So yes, ye na ye jitu mu say Ghana we are developing. And I'm even sad that we are still having this conversation, but then it is what it is. But the least our leaders can do is at least carry us along. Let us know the real problems on the ground. Let us not, let me say, how a manner you're politicizing and affecting the average Ghanaian life. And no na me you do baby because obia the better politics. Obiba obeka say we subo obeka say hey ya buy what you say and that is how it is. And so we really never get a long lasting solution to problems that affect the livelihood of Ghanaians. And ola eya na eya sifim kakra. Now one of the things I mean solar panels dia and also mine kania. So me check here na me check kakra me here say solar ye de bo man mu ni ade na tax e da so nye tax ketwa. Enti how are we sending a capacity no? And to me and generate the light na ebe to me as sustaining this power outages no. Again na ya dwene hu say bi as taxes so that solar so ebe to me as scrap yama major industrial companies ni ade be to me a crass solar systems ya ba omo de aye adwuma ma if it's truly true say increase of electricity consumption and cause some problems. Just some keso beti kakra wula.
Yeah.
But so na back home hanu free. Now we tie taxes that's why enough form. So how does industrial company be a washa say? Obey day na we to me adapt a power generation plan or they are running a business. If you be people can afford the solar light, and say yeah scrappy tax nama or man follow it to me. I can say okay, if this is the case, this I can afford. And me to me a cry but you do can ya cry. At least our system may be over falling on another area. And look at because we are the whole whether you like it or not, ebogu. So ayana me some say what is the long-term plan na yedia to kwemo ebe solve because I will not be surprised that abayin beba echemu akọ e be 4-8 years down the line we will still be talking about doing so.